and edit the Shopify products page. And I'm also going to show you the layout. So today's video is going to be informative and educative. And by the time you're done, you'll be able to understand better how you can edit your Shopify products page on layout. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Done theme for today's video tutorial. And right here, I have the Done theme. So what we want to do is to hit on customize. And the moment we have that, here is the home page. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on this icon, this segment you're seeing here, the drop down, and I'm going to go to products. Then I will go to the default products. Okay. Now, I'm sure that you already have your products added. If you've not added your products, you know the drill. Just come here to Shopify, to the Shopify admin. Then you click on products. And right here, you have all products, including gift cards and everything will be right there. Okay. So this is how you go ahead and add products, right? So go ahead, add products, and all your products will be here. So now I'm going to go back to the products page. Okay. Now here is the layouts that you are seeing right here. This is the products, which is if I want to change this now, I can easily change it to another product. So I can go ahead, click on change, then I can select this. Okay. And I have this, listed. Okay. And also we have the announcement bar, which is this. Okay. You can actually change that by clicking that, and you can, go ahead to, talk about the seconds. You can change the seconds to the number of seconds you want it to take to change to another announcement. And you can also change the colors. As you can see right there, I just changed the color. I would suggest you leave all those ones. The team settings also, you can decide to maybe leave all this one so you can actually link to your Facebook page and all that. All right. So that is about the announcement bar. In case you want to change the text, here is the announcement text. So click that and you can easily change all the text, and you can link to with your collection or products or pages, wherever you want to link to, you can do that. All right. And then the next one is the header, which is this one here. This is the header, and you want to position your logo. If you want it at the middle, you leave it. If you want it at the top center rather. And if you want it at the left, top left, it moves to the left. And if it's the middle center, do that. Okay. And the mobile logo positioning also, you can easily always make sure that whenever you're customizing your Shopify page or whatever, always make sure that you change to the mobile, so that you check it out. You check the the look in the mobile view, because a whole lot of your customers, they're gonna go ahead and access they access your store through their mobile phone, because these people are people, maybe they are scrolling on their social media like TikTok, and they just bump on your products, and from there they come to your Shopify store. So most of the time they use mobile to check your store. So you need to always optimize for mobile. So it's very, very important. So for mobile, you can move it to the center or the left or anywhere. And your main menu, you can also link your menu. Okay, your menu rather. You can see I have some menus here. You can link whatever menu you want to link. Okay. And in case you don't know how to, link menu and also some sub collections and all that, I'm going to be linking in the video description, okay, on some video tutorials that can teach you how you can go about to create sub collections, sub menus, sub categories, and also create your menu. Okay. So that is about that. And if you want the menu type to be drop down, mega menu, drawer, whatever it is, you can always do that. And if you want it to be sticky, so maybe when people are scrolling, you can make it sticky. You can always make it to be showing, so you can see the header is sticky as always. Okay. Or you can decide to make it not to be sticky, and that one is also possible. Okay. So you can see right there, let me go back to desktop. So that is all about that. The color scheme also, you can change the colors right there. And if it's the main menu color scheme also, you can also change the colors right there. So that is all about that. And I'm gonna suggest you leave all these ones. Okay, don't tamper with those ones. Then once you're done with the header, you can also add blocks. So maybe you want to add a block, you want to add some maybe you want to add timer to this part. You can actually use your block. Okay, so block is just like a smaller items inside a section. Okay, this can be like the title, price, something like this. Okay, let me show you. So something like this, these are blocks, okay? The title, the price, the variant, speaker, and all that, all right? Y section, they are the large building blocks, okay? Like this product information, like, image gallery, products information, just you can see, or maybe featured collections, just like you can see here, we have related products, okay? So if you want a hard block, you can click this, and though there are no blocks available, so but if you want to add blocks are all already auto available in the theme. Okay, but there will be sections, so you can add sections. You need to create a section to even have blocks. Okay, so these are sections like custom liquid can be added to the header. Right, but you can actually add a lot of sections to the template. So if I click on add section here now, you see that I've got a lot of sections to add. Okay, so right here there are sections, so you can add email sign up, contact form, video, blog post. You can add featured collections, and all that right there in the section. Okay, and right here we have the template. So the template is this. Okay, this part here, this product information, they are the templates. Okay, so those are the templates. So, and in case you want to change anything here, the price or whatever, you need to do that in your product page. Okay, you need to come here to your product, and that's the only way you'll be able to edit all that, the price and everything. Okay, so the prices, the information, and everything will be done in this part right there. Okay, but this is just the theme customization. So in case you're trying to click this and you're not able to edit it, just know that you can't customize all this here. Okay. So you can see we have got some other related collections here. So once you're done with that, the footer, we have the footer section, which is down below here. Okay. And right there, you can add sections to the footer. Okay. You can add email sign up. Okay. Or which is already there. All right. Yeah, we've got email sign up. You can see this looks more bigger. You can edit this. You can decide to edit that. All right. And which other thing can you add to the section, the footer? We'll click this. So custom liquid also, maybe you want to add a code. Okay, maybe you want to do something and you want to add a short code. You can easily use the custom liquid to add your short code like this. Okay, like maybe for example now I want to add a particular bar. Okay, maybe like an announcement bar here. Okay, I can add that. So once I just paste that, and the announcement bar will start reading. So you can see the announcement bar showing, Honda. Okay, but normally this should be at the top. All right, this should be at the top at the announcement bar section. Okay, it should be at the top. So I can also add custom liquid here. So I can easily just click on the. Sorry, let me delete that. If you want to add more announcement bar, maybe you want to add more, you can do that also by clicking on this plus, and you can change this announcement bar limited stocks available. So now say limited stocks available. So it's gonna change to the second one in 5 seconds. So that's how it keep changing and changing just like that. Okay. So it's gonna change. And okay, sorry. All right. So in case I want to add maybe the section, I can click this custom liquid and I can click on custom liquid and I can add, paste that, and the announcement bar is going to be showing just like this. So, and I can drag it to the top. Okay. I can just drag it to the top. Just drag it, long press on it and drag. Okay. And as you can see, it's showing right there. And you can actually also format the heights, the padding, just like you can see. You can format the padding just like that. Okay. And you can also change the colors. Okay. Just like that. So this is exactly the layout and how you can edit your product page to make it look well. You can even add more sections here to the template. Okay. So maybe around this template, I want to add more sections. I can click on add section and I can, add, more products. I can add text with images, banner. Okay, I can add slideshows. Okay, I can add photo collage. I can add multi columns. I can add multi rows. So there are a lot of things you can add. I can also add collapsible content. Okay, right there. Okay, so you see it's already added. Okay, so maybe this one is where you want more information, or maybe let me just drag it to the top of related product. Yep, just like this. Yep. So now maybe you want to tell them about your shipping. You want to tell them that, okay, the shipping is this particular time. You can always, change this to shipping. Okay. Or you can say additional information. All right. So, and you can move it to the left. Okay. Or move it to the center or whatever it is you want to do. You can do that. Okay. And you can also add captions. Okay. But I would suggest you just leave that. Then all those ones you can edit them. Just click on them and you can easily say shipping. All right. So that's about that. Then once you click on this drop down, it should show some. Okay, right here, the row content is where you tell them about the information. Okay, maybe 30 days delivery. Okay, and once they drop down, they will see the information on that shipping information. So this is how you go ahead, add the heading, have the content. So you can also click on this one also and keep adding more information so they know all these things are important because you want to tell them, especially you're shipping, you want them to know that it's, maybe 5 to 7 to, 30 days or 12 to 30 days, whatever you need to add that. You need to talk about some information so that your customers can be able to know exactly what they're buying and what they stand to expect. So this is exactly how you go about editing your product page and also the layout. And these are the things I feel you should know. And if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment box. I will be ready to reply you. Thank you very much for your time. I'm going to see you in another video tutorial. Please, if this video has been helpful, make sure that you subscribe. It's very important that you hit the red subscribe button because I'm going to create a whole lot of tutorials like this for you guys. And I've got tons of Shopify tutorials right on this channel for you guys. So thank you very much by subscribing. And if you don't want to subscribe, please like this video at least so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there. And I'll see you in another video. And also share this video with your friends and family. It will help them to know best about Shopify. I'll see you. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.